I wish you all a wonderful good day. Like I already promised you, I'm gonna bake a bread today and I'm gonna show you how it works. So you need 50% of plain white flour and rye flour. I bought this one in an organic shop. So I will take 1.5 cup of each kind of flour. And you're gonna need some instant yeast. So what is not necessary need, but it's nice to have in our like sunflower seeds. Hey man. Yeah.
How dare you cut me out? How dare you cut me out?
I will. I need some salt that it tastes good. Anyways. And what I like to put in, but you don't have to, like, is stuff like pepper and like shredded garlic. And some herbs. So actually this is not a recipe in the internet. It's like my own recipe, semi-magnetic recipe, that's how it looks like. And now I'm putting in some water until it is like ready. So I always try to start with 300 milliliters. You could also do that with your hands actually, but like they won't look really good after that, it's hard to clean them. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Now you put it into a baking pan. You should like put some fat in the baking pan before you. So I do that with my hands. You could like use kitchen paper for that anyways. Here it's better to put in more than less. So now you take yourself a spoon. I'll get the mixture. So right now I've needed like 10 minutes from starting, so doesn't need a lot amount of time. Then you put some towel over the baking pan and let it rest for at least like maybe 30 minutes until the flour rises a little bit. And then you put it in the oven for like 1 hour. And after 1 hour you got your own first self-baked bread. I've managed myself to make myself a nice rice pan. It is a vegan pan, but I'm obviously not a vegan. But sometimes I prefer like vegan cooking. So, namaste. So it will stay in the oven for 1 hour at around 180 to 200 degrees. As long as that takes, I will take a nap. I'm just obviously really tired. I should stop saying obviously. Good night. So 1 hour has passed and the bread is ready. I should have used a little bit more fat for the baking pan. The bread is ready if you like put it from up to down. It makes this noise, then should be fine. I feel like this is not my best bread, but also not my worst one.